Welcome to Tarleton State University, Dick Smith Library. Our library is a 3-story facility filled with resources and helpful people to make sure you have everything you need to be successful. On average, over 2,000 students pass through these doors each day. So let's take a tour and introduce you to what's inside.
We'll start on the main level, which we call the Learning Commons. The Learning Commons is where you'll find some of our most used spaces, including the circulation desk, our periodical section, the reference desk, the tech spot, our tutoring and learning center and our writing center, collaborative workstations, and our study grounds cafe. To start, the circulation desk is the hub where you can check out library materials or pick up materials placed on reserve by your instructor. Just bring your Texan card and we'll be here to help. Staff at the periodicals desk are ready to assist with locating the right articles for your classwork. The library has thousands of journals, magazines, and newspapers on a variety of subjects, both in print and online. At the reference services desk, you can ask us all your questions and we will be happy to assist. Behind the desk, you will find encyclopedias, dictionaries, atlases, and more. The Tech Spot is a one-stop shop for technical assistance with all of your devices. The information technology staff can also assist with your Canvas questions and campus technology, including NTNet usernames and passwords, email, student software, and connecting your device to the campus Wi-Fi. Near the Tech Spot, you'll find both the Tutoring and Learning Center and the Writing Center. Tarleton's Tutoring and Learning Center offers free learning and tutoring programs, and students needing support at any stage of the writing process can visit the Writing Center for assistance. The Library Learning Commons is also the place to find technology and lots of collaborative workspaces. One of our services is a laptop vending machine. Just bring your Texan card to check one out to use in the library. We offer over 200 desktop computer workstations, and students can print or scan documents from any floor. Finally, the Study Grounds Cafe is a great space to meet up with friends or take a study break. It's a great place to get some coffee or grab a bite to eat. Now, let's visit the upper level.
The upper level of the library is an extremely popular spot for our students. It offers the Maker Spot, our general collection of books, as well as plenty of study space so that you can find the spot that feels just right for you. A unique service of the library is the Maker Spot, which provides students with easy access to the most innovative technologies for invention, creation, exploration, and design, no matter what your field of study. The space offers 3D printers and scanners, a large format poster printer, laser cutter, maker and computer development kits, as well as camera equipment such as GoPros and DSLRs. Check out a camera before your next adventure. Throughout the 3rd floor, you can also find our general collection of books, as well as a variety of study rooms and comfortable seating. From normal desk seating to personal cubbies, there's plenty of options when it comes to finding the space that fits for you. Lastly, when it's time to get away from those noisy roommates, you can visit our Quiet Zone, tucked away in the back of the upper level. The Quiet Zone even includes soundproof study rooms that you can reserve from our webpage. Now let's finish the tour on the lower level.
Like other spaces in the library, the lower level features plenty of study spaces as well as other resources for your use, such as our lower level service desk, special collections, and practice presentation room. The lower level service desk is where you can get assistance with locating resources in the library's special collections. Our special collections include the curriculum collection for education majors, anatomical medical models, audiovisual resources, legal collection, and university archives. We also offer a reservable room where you can rehearse a presentation. It's equipped with the same equipment you will find in a classroom, a computer station, projector, and smartboard so you can record and improve your technique.
The library is a great place where we hope you'll find yourself frequently throughout your time at Tarleton. Please stop by and check out what the library has to offer. We are always happy to assist you. If you have any questions, you can stop by, email us at reference@tarleton.edu, or call 254-968-9249. Bleed Purple and go Texans!